Morning all, 25th of April 2018, and here you are with Dan in Essex, UK. What I'm doing is revisiting my roots. If you've been following my channel for a while, you'll know that I have filmed in various locations over the years, and just revisiting one of these locations here. Now, I can't take credit for what's going on in this polytunnel or this location anymore, but certainly is looking good. And what I thought I'd do is to give you guys a tour, because I'm very grateful actually that gained a lot of subscribers of late and my views have shot right up, so thank you very much for that. And obviously I'm doing something right, so thank you very much once again. So we're in this polytunnel, and this is quite a bit bigger than the one you normally see. Forget the dimensions now. I think it's about 6 meters by 3, might even be a bit bigger than that, but certainly is a good size indeed. And of course you can get a lot more in it than the one you normally see, but once again it's a feel-good UK polytunnel. Very good indeed. I'll show you the door hinge etc later on and how this one is secured, but first we will have a little tour around. So look at that. You can see a lot of stuff in here has gone to seed now, which would be normal because a lot of this was winter vegetables. Got all sorts going on. This is rocket. Something else there. What have we got here? What have we here? Got all sorts going on here. Got herbs. Salad leaves. Look at them salad leaves, look. So this is one thing you can do, look. Just had a pot. Salad leaves. Not supposed to pull the root up, never mind. See, that's nice, isn't it? Real earthy salad taste, and you could put that on a windowsill in your kitchen, couldn't you? Great idea there for you. What have we got down here? Peas. Someone has been busy. Peas. Now, I've spoke about Hacksnick's root trainers. I've got a video on these, filmed it a few years ago, but I won't take them out, but you can see how they work. They sort of flap open like that either side. I think you get the idea. And it retains the root ball. Very good. Certainly worth doing. And if you get some of these root trainers, they'll serve you for years if you look after them. You know, don't let them blow around in the wind. Keep them clean. And they're very good. Some beetroot here. Looking gorgeous, isn't it? And some leeks. Looking good as well. Let's see what we've got going on over here. What have we here? Wild rocket. This person's very much into growing rocket. Leeks again. Curly kale. You know I love this. I truly do. One of the best things you can grow is kale. What's this? Yep, there's another form of kale there. Absolutely pobtastic, mate. Remember that from Smashy and Nicey? Harry Enfield and Paul Whitehouse. Purple sprouted broccoli here, look. And some squashes have been set as well. Sweet corn. Oh, this person's so organised that they even put the date on that they set it. Sage. Yeah, I've got a rogue broad bean here in amongst the carrots. Certainly is intriguing. Beetroot, Detroit. Oh yes, I see a little bit of cheating's been going on. Nah, only joking, it's not cheating, is it? It's just a different method. Got a cucumber plant here, mini star, that's been purchased. And oh yeah, I've never really researched much about these grafted tomato plants. F1 elegance. See that there? Look, I mean the plants look healthy. Grafted down there. Right, what's this? It's been purchased as well. Bambino courgette plant. Okay. See, you know, that's another option, isn't it? Yeah, I mean, if you don't want to go through the trouble, or you haven't got the time, or even the interest in growing your own plants, as you can see down there, in certain cases, you can even purchase plants. So, you know, there are other ways that you can make your gardening experience easy for yourself, or easier for yourself as well. What else we got? Man, these are quite epic, aren't they? Some sort of lettuce, I presume. What? Yeah. Cool, how strong that is. Cool. Cool. Got the seed, that is. Cool. Man, that's potent. It is potent. What's down here? Right. Ah! Salad. More like a tortoise. All sorts of varieties going on down here. Looks like this will come back into focus. Little gem lettuce, look. This as well. Let me pull the root up. Look at that. Nice. Oh, I think we've got some radishes down here. Not quite there yet. See them just about. Okay, now grafting. Now this is the most successful tree that I've ever grafted, and I'm very proud of it. It's now about 3 and a bit feet tall. Grafted it a few years ago, and it's apple variety Winter King. And you can see we've got blossom on it. Look there. Look down here. Look. Let's have a look. Right, there you go. You can see where I made the graft here and how well that's fused together. Now this is on MM106 rootstock, and what I did with it was I cut the rootstock quite short, so that hopefully the plan for this tree is to have a, not a high trunk and a big top. Who knows, but wanted to just try it, a little bit of variety, and of course when you're doing your own grafting, it's your project, so you can do what you want with it. But very happy with how this has come out. And you can see, so the original scion would have been from there to here, and then you can see it put out all this growth slowly, year on year. If you put into YouTube apple variety Winter King, if I remember, I will I'll put the link down below, and you can see what this looked like just very shortly after I grafted it. It was one of my first YouTube videos, I believe, but certainly a success. And here, this again was this was the bargain basement tree. I got this from Aldi's. Doesn't grow much, nor do I want it to, or nor did I want it to, because of where I put it at the time. But it's a Gala apple, it is, and it came from Aldi. I think it was about £3.99, something like that. I mean, not a particularly impressive specimen to look at, but it does fruit very heavily, considering, how puny and weedy the tree looks. But yeah, very good indeed. And this tree here, this is the pear onward. I was given this tree. Sadly, the gentleman that gave me this tree is no longer with us, but it really has put out a lot of growth. And I espaliate it up against this south-facing fence, so it really does. If I come right out, look, you can see it really does like it here, and it appreciates its warmer location. And hopefully it will add a little bit of a frost protection should we get one, because I personally think one is likely, because the weather has just been too good. Right, here you go. Now this vine here, I've got a video, again I'll link it down below if I remember. It's grape growing in the UK, and this is the vine here, and one of my viewers has stated the variety is Voscoop Glory, which I've looked it up, and it probably is. So obviously no fruit on this yet, but there's a cutting that I took that I put there of another grapevine. Really have got cuttings all over the show here. See if I can find some more. Oh, my shadow, look. Oh yeah, and this is another graft I did, Winter King and Lord Lambourne. Well, here as well, look, this was a Egremont russet that I grafted. I put quickly before time runs out, I quickly did the graft there, I did one there, and that one didn't take, so that's got two. Take care.